So hello guys, hope so you guys are doing well. In this video update we'll be definitely talking about just a quick update on BTC. So if you guys are new in this channel guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure to hit the notification bell icon. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, BTC is basically hitting exactly 71k. And yesterday, what exactly just I shared with my premium members. First of all, before anything, guys, before anything within this dip down, I completely told you guys to buy BTC, and I already told my members, and they have already bought BTC exactly within that zone, right? If you guys remember, I always told you guys, I always promised you guys about all-time highs. I was always bullish. Although we have bought here, we have bought here, we have bought here, we have longed completely right here. And then if you guys remember, last time, we also longed right here as well. We also longed right here as well. So guys, I gave you longs, 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 and longs after longs, right? Now, in the immediate short term right now, I have told you guys, if you guys remember, this was our target, this was our resistance, mean resistance from here, resist, rejection, rejection, and rejection right here. So if you focus overall right here, we broke out, we retested, and now we are pumping to the upside on one terms. Secondly, yesterday, Secondly, yesterday, what I exactly told my members right here, that we also have this thing, this resistance, and this is the resistance of this thing. Let me remove this. So let's get into this right now. First of all, let's get into this. First of all, there's a big liquidity sitting right here, which is not tapped yet. The liquidity, I told you guys 1,000 times, this was the liquidity sitting right here. This was taken right here. Now, this is the liquidity. It was taken right here. This was the liquidity. It was taken right here, right? And then I told you guys one thing, that this is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, another higher high. This was a break of structure I was talking about. What exactly I told you guys? Go and check out my last updates. I exactly told you guys that we were definitely going like this. First of all, if you guys remember, I will definitely talk about different stuff as well. But this was the higher high, higher low, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now higher high. There is a break of structure. This was what you say. This was the hold, this was the higher low, and this is where we longed. When we formed a break of structure right here, we tapped and we got back into BTC right here, and now we are simply sending it to the higher zones, right? Now, when everybody is bullish, there is a thing that you guys must not be that much bullish, right? So I have already mentioned these things right here, that where we can definitely hold back, and where we can definitely get back into the zone. So first of all, there is a liquidity exactly sitting at 63.8k. Right now in the immediate short term, this was the resistance I was talking about, and you guys can exactly say this at first. We got a rejection exactly from the zone, we got tapped down, and now we are sending back to the upside zone, right? Now, in the immediate short term, I will definitely remove this to tell you guys. And this, if we remove this thing, you guys can exactly say this, what you guys can see, and how we just exactly break out through this. And secondly, if you guys remember, I also gave you this thing as well, this trend line as well, this trend line. And this was a bullish retest of this zone, bullish retest of this one, and then we started to send it higher and higher again. Now, in the immediate short term, I will give you few of the important stuff that you guys must look after, and you guys have to go after it, right? Now, this is an important resistance zone, very important resistance zone, right? That is 61.9k, and then the next is 61.9k is the important resistance zone, guys. The other factor right here is the other factor right here is, first is this 61.8k, from where we almost got a rejection from here as well. Although you can definitely consider this level as well, because each of the time we tapped exactly around 61k, we got a rejection. But importantly, this level, that is 61.71.8k, is a very important resistance zone from where we can definitely, each of the time, this is the rejection zone, this is the rejection zone. From here we got a rejection, and almost again we are getting another rejection. So this is the first rejection zone, this is the second rejection zone, or this is the second rejection zone, right? That is 63.8k. These are a few of the rejection zones that you guys must look after. And each of the time when everybody is bullish, guys, when everybody is tapping, you guys can exactly see this. This is a very clear structure. The lower zone right here, guys, these zones are definite, these zones are definitely going to add back zone. And a lot of guys were saying that we are going to 60 to 40 to 38, this and that, but I will never promise that. I never promise that. And here it's in front of you guys who was right, who's wrong, right? I really don't need to clout myself that I just said this, I just said this. Guys, I'm doing it for almost a year now. Public calls every single day, every single week, and here we are. So what I personally think is the resistance I told you guys, I will definitely look for some short exactly right there as well. And secondly, right here, we can definitely see another retest as well. So if there is a retest, don't panic. And secondly, once we get there into the zone, make sure to sell some of your bags. Altcoins are still looking not that well, but make sure to, like, maybe right here we go for some breakout right here into this zone, and then again we get a rejection back into the zone. So this is somehow, this things can happen like this. But we should not be scared of these stuff, and every single thing is in front of us, guys. And I hope so it makes sense for you guys as well. I hope so my Discord, like, because yesterday I already told my members of my Discord that I exactly told them that this is coming, the pump is coming, the breakout is coming, and here we are. And I'm lucky enough, and then after that I felt asleep because I had a paper. I just what you say, I cannot say bad words, but my paper did not went very well, so I was a little bit sad. I went to sleep, and then here we are.